If you have potatoes and canned tuna, you have to try this. A delicious meal I make for my family very often. You'll have a ready meal in 20 minutes, and everyone will want seconds. Peel 5 potatoes and cut them into thick slices. Put them in a pot and cover with cold water. Boil for about 15 minutes. Check with a fork. Once they are soft, they're ready. While the potatoes are cooking, prepare the filling with tuna, onion, carrot, and chives. Open the can and place the tuna in a bowl, mashing it into smaller pieces with a fork. Peel and dice 1 onion. Heat some oil in a pan and add the diced onion. Sauté until golden. While the onion is cooking, peel and grate 1 carrot. Add the grated carrot to the sautéed onion. Let them simmer together until soft. Set aside to cool, then transfer to a bowl. Chop 1 bunch of chives and add it to the bowl with the carrot and onion. Now, add the mashed tuna. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix everything thoroughly. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to combine. Now, drain the cooked potatoes and grate them. Transfer the grated potatoes to a bowl and add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and 100 grams of grated cheese. Mix well. Then add 4 tablespoons of flour. If the dough is too sticky, add more flour. Mix thoroughly. From the prepared dough and filling, shape juicy stuffed patties. A helpful tip is to grease your hands before shaping each patty. Flatten a portion of the dough into a circle, add a spoonful of filling, and form it into a patty. Repeat until you have around 10 patties. Fry the formed patties in oil until golden brown. This recipe is quick, delicious, and the patties are juicy with a pleasant tuna flavor. You'll be making this tasty meal often,